How to practice Spanish confidently on holiday. You're absolutely right, practicing Spanish in real-life situations can be both exciting and intimidating. The unpredictability of conversations can make it challenging, especially when locals are busy or not used to slowing down for learners. However, with the right mindset and approach, you can make the most of your trip and build confidence. Here are some practical strategies to help. 1. Keep it simple and predictable. Instead of trying to have a perfect, fluent conversation, aim for clarity and simplicity. For example, ordering a drink.
Una cerveza, por favor.
Asking for the bill.
La cuenta, por favor.
Grocery store.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
How much does it cost? Locals will usually understand these basic phrases, even if you say them imperfectly. 2. Expect the unexpected. No matter how well you prepare, responses will vary. Someone might speak too fast, ask a follow-up question, or switch to English. If you don't understand, you can politely say,
Lo siento, estoy aprendiendo español. ¿Puede repetir más despacio?
Sorry, I'm learning Spanish. Can you repeat more slowly? If they switch to English, you can say,
Prefiero intentarlo en español.
I prefer to try in Spanish. 3. Listen for common responses. When ordering in a cafe, for example, the server might ask,
¿Para aquí o para llevar?
for here or to take away?
¿Algo más?
Anything else? Knowing these common follow-ups will help you feel less caught off guard. 4. Use body language and context. If you don't understand a word, clues from the situation, gestures, and facial expressions can help. Pointing at a menu item, nodding, or making a questioning face can keep the interaction flowing. 5. Accept mistakes as part of learning. You will misunderstand things, and that's okay. The key is to keep going. Most people appreciate the effort, and even if they don't, that's their problem, not yours. 6. Start with small wins. Instead of trying complex interactions right away, begin with short exchanges where you know the expected responses. For example, buying something simple at a bakery. Greeting a hotel receptionist. Asking for directions with a simple phrase. 7. Don't let one bad experience discourage you. If someone responds impatiently or in English, don't take it personally. Keep trying with someone else. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any Spanish tip every day. See you in the next video.